First thing, I need to do without calculator because this is 4 cents, right? So it's very small. So what do? I will take this times 100. So 100 baht is equal to $4. Right? So this is the first step. Now second step, this is 225. Again, if without calculator, very hard to use. So not equal this is approximate. So what I do is the 225 I will split into two parts. This is 200, this is 25. Can follow? So I want to know $200 in baht is how much? Very easy, right? If 100, no, this is not dollar, this is 225 baht. So if 100 baht is $4, what about 200 baht? About $8, right? So this is the baht. So 200 baht is about $8. So this one you understand. But how about 25? What must I do? Divide by 4. I take the 100 divided by 4, right? So this divided by 4, this divided by 4, what is 25 baht? It's about $1, right? Who don't understand? All understand. So in total, how much does it cost for the 225 baht? About how much? About $9, right? So 225 baht is approximate to $9. Do you have to put the word therefore? Huh? Who asked that? Do you have to put the word therefore? Oh, this one is therefore therefore okay. With or without is okay lah. My concern is not a therefore. My concern is whether you break it up into the correct way of doing or not. Right. Let's pause the video and let's give. So now I don't want to use calculator. So I say 1,000 rupiah is about 10 cents, 14 cents. So what must I do first? Is it big enough? What should I do first? Do I use this amount? No. Huh? Use 10 cents. Then the 45 cents. Huh? Do you want to calculate in terms of a bigger amount? For example, I don't want 1,000. Do you want to try 1 million? I try. Now, why is it 10 cents not good? Because 10 cents, this is 14 cents. 10 cents, you mean you are going to erase away the 4 cents? Then later on, the estimation number will be a very big difference. Do you understand? No. Yes. No. Okay, I write for you. Can you write this down? Rupiah, okay, divide into 2 columns. If let's say rupiah 1,000 is approximate to 10 cents. Okay? Let's try Darren's method. It's equal to 10 cents. Then how do I calculate 25,000? What do I do? Times 25. Times 25. So this one will times multiply by 25. Am I correct? So you have 25,000 rupiah. Then this one will be what? How much? Also times 25, right? So how much will I get? Huh? $2.50. Okay. Now let's try another method. What if I don't calculate 1,000 rupiah? I calculate 1,000 and another 30. What will it be? It's quite big. This will be, or maybe quite big because you are only calculating 25,000. So if I don't want 1 million, let's say I have 100,000. 100,000. So 100,000 will be what? If this is 1,000 is 0.45 times 100. Here also will times 100. So what would this be? $14.50. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Anaga, does it make sense? Okay, so then after that, what do I want to do? How do I find 25,000? How do I find 25,000? Divide by 4, right? Then this one also can divide by 4. Is it easy to divide by 4? How much will it be? So, is it easy to divide by 4 without calculator? Let's try. 4, then this is $3 and $3.8 3.6 So this is 24, right? About 3.6. So this is about 3.6. You see, do you see that the two amounts are quite different? Do you see that the two amount is quite different? Can I find the actual one with calculator? Just to check what is the correct answer. Can you do the actual with calculator? How do I do actual with calculator? I need to take this amount times what? Times 25, right? You're extremely quiet today. You're okay. If $1,000 is 14 cents, I need to take this amount times 25 using calculator. I want to know the actual amount. So what's the answer? 3.63. Do you see that over here, which one is nearer to the number? Left or right? The right hand side, this one like nearer. So it's very important you cannot just round off to the number that is too far away. Because if you round too far away, then later on there's going to be a little bit of problem. Can follow? Can Now, I'd like to go through one more textbook example before going to the notes example. Then we will close the chapter and then we will start with a new chapter. Okay? So can I look at the textbook now? Can you look at the textbook? Right, let's take a look at word example 8. Now, word example 8, again, two options. Coffee, coffee. But this coffee got what? Free what? 350 grams, right? Now, of course, the easiest way is to what? Take this number, add together, then press calculator, right? Agree or not? I press calculator fastest. This is the most accurate one. No need to estimate one. But let's say if I want you to estimate. So this is what I do. 200 grams is $5.80. Do I need to round up? Round up to what? $6, right? So 200 grams is about $6. Referring to your textbook, 200 grams is $6. Then 100 grams will be how much? $3. Then what do I do? 50 grams will be how much? 150. Why is it I want to find 50 grams? Because of that one. Because of the one on top. So what I want to do is first, I want to round off this to $6. Calculate the 50 grams, which is 150. Then you add these two numbers together. Right? Then 750 and 745. Which one is cheaper? Which one is cheaper? A or B? A is cheaper. Actually, B is cheaper, right? Appear to be cheaper, right? Because B itself is $7.45, which is 5 cents cheaper. But is it really cheaper? No. Why no? Yeah, let's hear the two answers. Shi Ting say because the 50 grams.
And the other 50 grams, necessarily how much? These add together, then you find 50 grams. Then, I don't know how to say.
Do you hear what Shi Ting say?
We must say until the same amount.
You must say until the same amount. Yes, I have the same amount already. So, it says here, the same amount for this, same amount, 250 grams is about $7.50. This one, 250 gram is $7.45. So which one is cheaper? A is cheaper. Do you know why? Do you know why A is still cheaper even though?
Oh, because it's 20 cents lesser than $6.
Yes, because you did an estimation, remember? Huh? How next time you all go supermarket, will you all do this? Take the one you need. Good. Okay, let's analyze again. This one just now we calculate 750 gram is about wrong. 250 gram is about $7.50. This one, 250 gram is about $7.45. But why is it that A is still cheaper? Yes. So A is still cheaper because there is rounding off, right? Because just now we round off $5.80 into $6. Remember? Remember? So where no need to write this because this is already in your textbook. Now I show you a textbook answer. It says here A is still cheaper because you actually rounded off. Are you ready to try the notes question? Okay, let's try the notes question. Why if you don't round off? Good question. If you don't round off, it's very hard to calculate without calculator. So that's the reason why you round off. Okay, let's see the textbook the notes question. Can you look at the notes question now and you try? Exam need to round off, yes, if they say without using calculator. Can you highlight the word here, without using calculator? Okay, so now I pause the video here and so I still don't know yet, but let's try. I divide by 5 here. I divide by 5 here. So what is $4 divided by 5? 0.8. 80 cents. Because 8 times 5 gives you 40 right? So now I try. If I want 5.2 liter, that means I can break out into 5 liter and 0.2 liter, right? So how much is 5 liter? 4 times 5, which is equals to $20. Then this is 0.8 cents. So together is how much? So this is about $20.80. So which one is cheaper? B is cheaper. Does it make sense to you? This one, do I need to compare or not? As in, do I need to say because there's rounding off? No need, right? Because, do you agree? Yeah, because the difference is too much. Just now the difference was 5 cents. So, you need to consider the rounding off. This one, the difference is about $2. So, no need, straight away clear cut the milk B wins. Okay? Milk B wins. Okay, let's try the last question on buying alcohol. Textbook question, textbook question. Oh, sorry, not alcohol. It's olive oil. Hey, you're very quiet, Okay. Monday, I on, First period, some more. Okay, let's try again. One more question. Olive oil, 300 ml, $8.80. Option B, 200 ml plus 50 ml, $10.40. Start. Do you want to work with this or this? A or B? Okay. You want to work with B, ah? Okay, working with B is not wrong, but working with B got the 300 and the 50 here. So the number is not so nice already. Agree or not, Jay? Wow, she blinked at me. 300 is $8.80. 350 ml, so together this is 350. So working from here may be a bit more difficult. Working from here may be a bit easier. Do you follow? Yeah, let's try. So working from A, if 300 ml, do you want to round off first? Round off to what? $9. So I try 100 ml, how much is it? $3. I try 50 ml, what is it? $1.50. Change, do you know why I want to calculate 50 ml? Because I want to compare with this 50 ml. But I cannot just compare like that. Is it like, $4.50? Wrong, right? Because this is 100 ml. So 350 will be how much? What do I do? $9 plus 1.5, right? So I can write down 350 ml is about $9 plus 1.5. So how much is it? $10.50. Oh, this one is very close already, right? This one is very close already. How close? Just 10-cent difference. And just now earlier on you round off by 20 cents. So which one is cheaper? A. B is cheaper, right? B without rounding off is $10.40. A with rounding off is slightly more expensive. But in the first place, how much do you round off? You round up by how much? Do you see the difference? You round up by 20 cents. Therefore, which one is cheaper? B. Can follow? Why? Why what? Try, Jamie. You're asking why, right? Who not sure one? How come $10.50, $10.40, how come B is cheaper? How come? B is cheaper, right? B is cheaper because B without rounding off is already cheaper than A, which is already round off. Okay, let's write down. I think I confused some of you already. Okay, let's conclude. A 350 ml is about $10.50. This is a rounded off answer, right? Rounded off answer. B 350 ml is equal to $10.40. This is the exact answer. So therefore, which one is cheaper? B is cheaper. Does it make more sense? Okay, good. Right, I stop the video here.